Hi, I'm Satwinder Sahota, Family Law Solicitor at Sanders Witherspoon. Here's our guide on how to start the divorce process, including some of the common grounds for divorce, what you need to file for divorce, how much it might cost, and what happens next. First, you'll need to make sure you have grounds for divorce. Before a divorce can be granted, 1 year has to have elapsed from the date of the marriage, and the court has to be satisfied that the marriage has irretrievably broken down. This is proven by one of 5 facts. Adultery, the other person has committed adultery and you find it intolerable to live with them. Unreasonable behaviour, the other person has behaved in such a way that you cannot reasonably be expected to live with them. Desertion, the other person has deserted you for a continuous period of 2 years. 2-year separation, the two of you have lived apart for a continuous period of 2 years immediately preceding the presentation of the petition and that the other person agrees to be divorced. 5-year separation, the two of you have lived apart for a continuous period of 5 years and no consent is required. Your solicitor should advise you on whether any of these factors apply to your situation. It's a good idea to try and keep things as amicable as possible with your ex-partner, especially where children are involved. Your solicitor can put you in touch with a mediator who may be able to help you to reach a settlement and even save you legal fees. It is important to consider whether divorce is definitely the right option for you and your partner. You could create a separation agreement, for example, and this could help you to keep costs down. In order to file for a divorce, you'll need to file a divorce petition form, pay court fees, file a decree nisi, this is the court order stating the date on which a marriage will end, decree absolute, this is a court-issued certificate that concludes the divorce process. The divorce petition form allows you to ask the court for permission to divorce and details the reasons for you wishing to end your marriage. A solicitor can help you prepare this document. The court will then send your spouse an acknowledgement of service form, which your spouse, the respondent, will need to respond to within 7 days. How long does it take to get divorced? There is no set timescales as each individual's circumstances are unique. Generally, the most straightforward divorce takes about 4 to 6 months. Sorting out complex financial disputes, especially where houses or business assets are involved, can take much longer. Costs to consider when getting a divorce include the cost of filing the divorce to the court and any solicitor's fees. This does not include any future maintenance or financial agreements further to the divorce being confirmed. Sanders Witherspoon offer a 1-hour initial consultation for £150 plus VAT, in which we can discuss your matter with you and provide you with our best estimate of how much your matter will cost overall, how long it will take and what to expect at the end of it. What happens after a divorce petition has been filed? If you have received a divorce petition, then you should not delay matters and should get in touch with a solicitor as soon as possible to understand what it all means. A solicitor can also help you complete the forms which must return to the court. If you plan to defend the proceedings, a solicitor can discuss this with you as well. To make an inquiry about divorce on behalf of yourself, a friend or family member, contact Sanders Witherspoon on 01277 221 010.